Okay, so you're part of this big shopping center. What can you tell us about that? Looks like we got some key anchor tenants, so give us a sense of where we are here in this plaza.
Yeah, so we're at the back corner of the shopping center. It doesn't really matter that we're in the back corner. It actually feeds into the neighborhood that's behind us. It's a nice little area because there's the community back behind us, and also we're right by the beach, so there's lots of good shopping around this.
Yeah,
this
so this
area.
place, so the shopping center is great. Just builds traffic. It's got a lot of people coming through.
Yes.
And then looks like more of the immediate neighborhood, maybe more of that typical laundromat customer, more of that lower income renter type that's more
Correct.
immediate here.
Yeah, that's what comes in every single day. I mean, we have a lot of the same people that come in, day in and day out. Like I said, it's a community feel, and this is really where where everybody kind of congregates.
But then not too far, you've also have the more affluent customers that
Yes.
are probably using your delivery service.
Yes.
And I would imagine that some of your commercial customers are also serving the more affluent areas for
We do.
Tourism, hospitality, etc.
Yeah, we do a few, like a yoga studio and a Pilates studio right on Palm Beach Island. Then there's people who come in from different, tourists. A lot of tourists come in because they're staying by the airport, which you can hear right now.
Right.
But yeah, it's a great location for us because it really pulls from lots of different stuff.
We mentioned earlier that you even have Secret Service agents
We
coming
do.
through to do their laundry.
Yeah, we do.
What does that look like?
So they're all staying right by the airport. President Trump is here. He's obviously staying at Mar-a-Lago, which is 5 minutes down the road, and all the Secret Service who stay by the airport come and use our laundry.
See, you never know who's going to walk in the door.
I
at the
know,
laundromat.
I know. And they all talk to each other, so they told them about our laundry, so it's pretty cool. They have a group chat together. Because
Yeah.
when they all come, they're all in and out of town all the time.
Right. I bet that's one of the first things they ask is,
Where can I get to do my laundry?
Where can we do our laundry?
And I've actually gone to the hotels over there to introduce myself because I get a lot of calls from them as well. People coming in and out of town, it's perfect.
Yeah.
And we're literally down the